I'm going to start us off with the drop shot. I don't believe you're excited about this.
I'm not excited. What are we, what?
Well,
It's not beer, is it? Is it beer?
It's not beer. It's your favorite flavor of soda.
Pepsi?
Oh, no, it's not your favorite. So do you remember when we made the peanut butter and jelly shot?
Yeah.
And people were telling us we were doing it wrong.
Well, they have like 25 different ways to make a peanut butter and jelly shot.
All right. Well, this one comes from Daniel Hecker, who said we need to do a drop shot. We're going to do Old Smokey.
Okay. Butter. All right. Okay. I'm down for that.
All right. And we're going to do grape soda. Because you love grape soda.
I do not like artificial grape anything.
Yeah, but...
We're doing it for the people.
Oh, grape soda? Who doesn't love artificial grape soda, right?
I hate it.
All right, so there's our grape soda. Here comes our Old Smokey peanut butter whiskey.
Okay.
Why not start with a drop shot, right?
Well, at least it's not beer. Okay, here we go.
So this is Daniel Hecker's peanut butter and jelly.
Daniel, I'm doing it for you.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, here we go. That is so damn good, though. That's an Uncrustable in a glass. Oh my God, that was so good. Wow.
So what do you like?
I don't like grape soda, but you know how when you eat, like, well, I don't know, if you have kids and you've had an Uncrustable, you've stolen an Uncrustable from them, that the peanut butter in the Uncrustable is really hard. And so I don't know how to explain it. You just get this, you get the grape on the front end of it, but as soon as that shot glass starts to empty, it's like super peanut butter. That's so good. I don't know. Did I describe it right? That's good.
You did. Really good. Really good. Try that. Daniel, thank you. That was awesome.
That was awesome.